Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we on OTG connection in Realme phone device. Friends, you want to on your phone OTG connection, so how can you on it? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how to enable OTG connection in Realme phone. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting you will scroll it. After scroll guys, you can see guys this type of setting guys. Click on your system setting guys, tap on system setting. Then guys again scroll it friends, you can see guys your OTG connection guys you want to on, so you can on and off from here your OTG connection from here. So when you use pen drive and guys it do not work, so guys turn on your OTG connection, then guys you can use your pen drive setting. Afterward guys you want to off, so you can off from here. So like that guys we can turn on and off OTG connection in Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends. I hope friends you have understood how to on and off OTG connection in Realme phone. Bye guys.